Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Varga Zarif and this channel is all about beauty, makeup, skincare and much more. Today here I am with yet another very exciting jewelry haul, and this time I have shopped from this website called Jiva. Now Jiva has a variety of modern silver jewelry to offer which are very elegant, and at the same time they are at a very affordable prices. I had always looked up to the jewelry pieces and I thought I should definitely give this a try. Now when you visit their website, you will see there are so many varieties of options to explore, like there are earrings, there are pendant sets, there are rings, bracelets, pearl jewelry, and now also they have introduced menswear. And if you're planning to give someone a jewelry piece that will last forever, you should definitely consider visiting this website. They also have jewelry for him and her which are perfect for gifting purposes. So now let's see what I have got. This is how I received my jewelry pieces, nicely packed into these boxes. Now they come in a white cardboard packaging with a sleeve on top of it. Now when you open the box, you will see there is another protective layer on top of it which you can easily remove, and then you have your jewelry item. But before talking about the jewelry item, I also want to talk about this section right here. Now this card is present in each of their jewelry items, and this is the certification to authenticity. They have some written information on this card which says this beautiful piece of jewelry is hallmarked with 0.925 sterling silver, made up of 92.5% pure sterling silver, and also it has high quality of zircon stones, and they also guarantee on the quality and the purity of this jewelry item. So as you saw, this is what my first jewelry item looks like, and this one is called the Golden Star Constellation Necklace. Now this is what the piece looks like. It has star detailing all over the necklace. Okay, so this is how the neck piece looks like. Let me quickly wear this. Okay, so this is how the jewelry item looks on me, and if you know me even a little bit, you know I really love dainty jewelry pieces, something which is very comfortable to wear and which can be styled up into multiple ways, and this one falls into the same category. It is very elegant and it has instantly lightened up the entire look. I really love how beautifully this necklace is made. In fact, all the jewelry pieces from Jiva are handcrafted, and this one is sterling silver with gold plating. I really love this piece, and even it looks so beautiful with what I am wearing. The quality is top notch and totally worth the price. I think I got this one for rupees 1499. I will link all the pieces in the description box below so that you can check them out. And also you can use this code flashing on the screen to get some extra bucks off your purchase, and I'll make sure to write this code down in my description box below as well. Moving on to the next piece, which is a pair of earring which is kind of matching to the neck piece, but I did not get this as a set. I bought them both separately. This is how they look like, and they are called Golden Charming Stud earrings. I'm gonna quickly wear them as well. So this is how the earpiece looks like, and again these are sterling silver with gold plating, and these are also suitable for sensitive ears. And as I read on their website, these also have rhodium e-coat to prevent tarnish, so that you can wear them all day every day without worrying about them getting tarnished. And again these pair of beautiful earring pieces are handcrafted. This piece is so simple and elegant, but yet it will look very stunning with any kind of outfit, and I can wear these together as a set, or I can wear them separately. So these are the two pieces that I got from Jiva, and I would highly recommend you guys to check out the website and get a little something for yourself, and I'm sure you're gonna love it too as much as I'm loving them. And if you happen to purchase something, don't forget to use my code and save some extra bucks. So with that, I finish this video right here, and I shall see you soon in my next video. Bye.